to make jerky. And I have never done it with chicken of the woods, so I tried it. And it's a totally different thing, and it ranges in texture from bread to like chewy meaty. So depending on the piece you get, that's what you get. But what you do, yes, super salty. So what you do is you soak it in, I use tamari, but you can use soy sauce. This is the original recipe, you can have it, and it's a lot less salty, depending on your taste buds. So it's soy sauce, or tamari, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, water, and then depending on your flavor, you can go garlic, you can go honey, maple syrup, ginger I've used. You can flavor it, and you basically slow simmer it for hours. This one took me a day and a half.
Oh wow.
The maitake, or the hen of the woods, will only simmer for maybe 4 hours. So they soak up the moisture a little differently, and that's why these have a bread-like texture.